Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to make a simple shooter game. So first you need to create a new project. And okay, when you have this project, first you're going to delete the scratch cat. Going to paint a new sprite. You're going to make a big square. Select this and delete that and make it a rectangle, a triangle, and put it right there and make it the size you want, like that, and name it ship. You're going to name, or you can name player. Now what you're going to do is go to events, drag one red flag clicked, go to 0, 0. And what that's going to do is make it go to the center of the stage. Then you're going to go to variables and delete my variables and create a new variable called xSpeed for all sprites and ySpeed, and you're going to drag this and this, connect them, and set this to 0 and 0, and set this to ySpeed. And then what you're going to do is to drag one red flag clicked forever. If go to sensing, D is pressed, then change X by 1. Duplicate this, change this to A, and change this to -1, and duplicate it again, put that in there, and make this W, and to 1, make this S, and -1, and put that in the forever loop, and that's the movement. So if you click the red flag, you can see the variables changing, but right now it's only the X, so change these two to ySpeed and ySpeed. Now they both change, but the character isn't moving. So for that, we're going to control forever, grab xSpeed and ySpeed, go to motions, and change X and change Y by speed, ySpeed and xSpeed, put that in there. So now if you see, the player moves, but if you press and leave it, it just keeps moving, it doesn't stop. So for that, you're going to go to variables, grab 2, set xSpeed and set ySpeed to times xSpeed and ySpeed. I'm going to set that to 0.9 0.9 and put that in there. So what's this going to do is reduce this number, and that's going to make the game smooth. So it works. Now you want the player to be pointing towards where the mouse is. So for that, you're going to do for red flag click, control, forever, motions, and point towards mouse pointer, and put this in here actually, and delete this. Now if you run the project, it follows the mouse pointer. So now what you're going to do is to create the bullets, paint another sprite, create a giant circle, and then make it smaller and make it the size you want the bullet to be, and make it any color you like. And you're going to name the sprite bullet. You're going to do one red flag clicked, motions, go to 0, 0. Then what you're going to do is go to controls, forever, F, mouse down, create clone of myself, wait until not, mouse down. So what this is going to do is so you can't spam, and then you're going to go to controls. When I start as a clone, show, and put a hide block here, show, and then you're going to do this, repeat until, and then you're going to put move to 10, and you're going to do repeat until, sensing, touching, edge. So it should work. You just need to put forever block. So you're just going to put a forever loop there. Now if you test it, it should work. It's going through the back, so just need a so you have to put point towards mouse pointer, and it should work. And you're going to put the mouse pointer up here and put this here. Now it works. So that's it for this episode, and for the next one I'm going to show you how to add enemies and Thanks for watching.